everyone, welcome to Remote Sensing and GIS World YouTube channel. Here you can get the video tutorials and lecture series of remote sensing and GIS. If you need further information, you can visit our website, link provided in the description. Today I will show you how to download the OSM GIS data using QGIS. To download the OSM data, we have to install a plugins from the plugins menu. For the installation of the plugins, we will go to the plugins menu. Here is the plugins menu. Then manage and install plugins. We have to click here. A plugins dialog box will open automatically on your screen. In the search bar, write OSM. OSM. The OSM downloader plugin is showing here. If I click the cursor over here, see the install plugins menu is here. Simply click here. It will install in your system. Close the dialog box. Here is the tool of OSM downloader plugin. Before downloading the data, we have to open it on your screen. To open the OSM, I will go to the browser. Here, you can see the X, Y, Z tiles. Click here. You can see OpenStreetMap here. Simply click over here. It will open on your screen. Zoom in on your area of interest. Select the OSM downloader tool and drag it over the map. Save your destination file. Then click over OK. It will take some time to download. So you can see the downloaded is successful. Okay. Then I will open the OSM file from Add Vector Layer tool. Open, add. You can see here 5 item was downloaded: line, multi-line string, multi-polygons, other relation, and points. Select all, add layers. All the 5 were added on your screen. Then export to save feature as. Then select the format type S3 save file. Then save in your destination. Okay. So the OpenStreetMap datasets downloaded successfully in zip file format. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and follow our social media handle. Also visit the website link given in the description for more information.